Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the scene and grabbing the correct package, HDRP volumetric clouds, or a trusted volumetrics asset. Once imported, switch your project to HDRP pipeline and enable volumetrics in lighting. You then create an empty game object called Cloud System and add the volumetric cloud component or the asset's main script. Make sure your lighting, sky, and sun are configured because cloud lighting depends on directional light. This establishes base scattering and shadow behavior before you tweak density and noise. Next, you dial in the cloud appearance and performance. Increase base density slowly to avoid clipping, change noise scale to alter fluff size, and set coverage to control sky fill. Once done, set sample count for balance of quality and frame rate. Higher samples mean smoother edges but cost more. Enable shadow casting and tweak shadow strength so clouds interact believably with scene lighting. Finally, add an offset animation or a wind vector so the clouds move naturally across the sky. To finish, finalize lighting and reflection probes, then test in both editor and build so performance matches expectations. Use a low sample preview to iterate quickly, then raise quality for final checks. If clouds look banded or artifactual, make sure HDRP volumetrics are enabled, increase shadow and sample precision, and verify depth textures are active. These settings often fix Z-fiding or transparency issues. If performance drops, reduce resolution, LOD, or sample count while preserving the core look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.